Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I think I'm just gonna make this like a to-do list video. I have like a massive list downstairs. I'll show you guys. I'm not gonna do everything on it, but maybe pick like 1 or 2 things. But the first thing that I want to do is clean this bathroom. This is the upstairs bathroom, and it doesn't get cleaned as often as the downstairs because we just don't use it that much, and a lot of the time I don't have the time to come up here and just work on it. But gonna do this today. One of the things I want to do though is run the shower, and that's the shower. Yep, there it is. I want to run the shower and see if it's still leaking into our downstairs bathroom, because that happened like months ago, and then we stopped using the shower. Like, we had a plumber come and he looked at everything and he didn't see any pipes leaking. So he said there's probably water just getting somewhere where it shouldn't. But I feel like it would have had to be like a lot of water, because it was literally dripping from the ceiling in the downstairs bathroom. It was dripping all over everything. Like, it was dripping onto the toilet, onto the floor, like just splashes of water. So there's a good amount of water getting somewhere where it wasn't supposed to be, but it's not coming from any of the pipes behind the wall. So anyway, what he said to do was to just seal everything. Like, Greg caulked everything in here, like silicone, whatever. So yeah, I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna run the shower like we would if he was taking a shower, because he's the only one who would take a shower up here. That tub is so loud. So we need like new faucets on it or something. Maybe I can do that too. I'm just gonna let that run for a couple minutes and see what happens down here in this bathroom. I should be a plumber. I'm standing here right behind this piece of drywall is the tub, and I've got my book light because I needed a light, and I can see a little bit of water dripping. It's not a lot, but I wonder if it would be more if there was like more weight in the tub, like if someone was standing in there. There's the water right there. There, I just saw a drip. There you go. Yep. So it is dripping. Why did the plumber say there was no drips or anything? It's dripping. I see it. So that means even if I clean the bathroom, then we still can't really use the tub, because there's a pipe that is dripping underneath the tub. Yay! So I didn't see any water coming from here. It was leaking from up here somewhere. Like the last time it leaked, it was coming from, why is it getting blurry? Last time it leaked, it was coming from up there, and you know, it was just dripping all over the toilet and the floor and the sink. It's like splashing everywhere. There's definitely a leak coming from like underneath the tub. I can see where it's coming from. There's like a pipe under there. It looks like it's coming from like the drain pipe or something. I don't know, but that wasn't like enough water for, it didn't, how do I say this? It didn't seem like that was what was causing all the water down here. Like, I have no idea what's going on, honestly. Maybe it was worse like when Greg was standing in the shower and putting weight in there. I don't know, but there's something going on with the tub upstairs, and I don't think we should still use it if it's still leaking. We gotta get somebody in to fix that for us. So it doesn't make sense for me to clean the whole tub and get that ready to use because I can't use it yet. But I am gonna go upstairs and just do a normal clean of the bathroom, like clean the floor and the sink and the toilet, I guess. So yeah. is Sunday now, a couple days later. Well, today's Sunday, so what I normally do on Sunday is change all the sheets upstairs. I'm not gonna do that right now because Noah is sleeping up there, so when he's done, I'll go do that. But for right now, while he's napping, I have a little kitchen organization project I want to do. I'm not sure how it's gonna work out, so it might be, I don't know, I'm just gonna see how it goes, how I like it. So in our kitchen, we don't have very many drawers. I just have this big one here. That's not a drawer. We have this little one here. It's very small. I just keep like the kids' bowls, and normally there's plates back here. Yeah. So all I keep in that one. And then the only other one we have is this one, and this is the utensil drawer. But our utensils are not really fitting in here very well. It's not as organized as I would like it to be. I gotta keep like the two different kinds of forks together in one thing, two different kinds of spoons together in one thing. And I got like knives stuck over here on the side. So my plan is to switch this drawer with this drawer. To show you what was in here. This is like the junk drawer. Stuff that we reach for a lot and I want to keep in the kitchen, but I'm gonna go through here and see if there's anything I can take out of this drawer, like if there's any stuff that we don't really need to keep right here in this drawer. So clean this out, declutter it a little bit, and then whatever is really essential stuff is gonna go in the utensil drawer, which is gonna be the new junk drawer. And I got some organizers, so this one is going to be a junk drawer organizer. Then I got some of these that maybe I can fit in there for other stuff. And then maybe even some of these for the utensils too, because there's a lot in here. But then I got this nice new utensil tray. It's clear and gray, and it's a lot prettier than this old one I have in here that's like all scratched up and everything. So it's a bunch of days later after I did the drawers. I want to show you what they look like now and also tell you why I'm going to be switching it back to how it was. So this was the old junk drawer and I switched it to the utensil drawer. Some stuff is in the dishwasher right now. But that is what that looks like. I like the container. It's a really nice container. I just want to get another one. Like I said, I'm going to be switching it back. So I'm going to see if I can find a smaller one that will fit in the other drawer. I'll tell you why I'm switching it back in a second. But you can see I still don't have enough room for like everything to have its own spot. Like the forks still have to share. And then here I usually have a knife and a pizza cutter, but those things are in the dishwasher. And then I put like knives I don't use that much back here. A couple things back there. I don't know, it looks nice. I just wish that drawer could be over here instead. But anyway, this is what the junk drawer looks like, and I like how I pared everything down. I have just the essential things in here now. Nice and organized. I like this tray. You know, everything's got its spot, and then back here is just kind of like stuff, but I know everything that's in there, and I know where everything is, so I'm gonna be switching the drawers back to how they were before, just because this section of counter is like where I stand all the time to cook and to make lunches and everything, and I keep trying to go into this drawer that's like, I keep trying to reach right here for like forks and knives and stuff like that when I need them, and I can't do that anymore. Now I have to go over here. I have to take like 2 steps over here and open up this drawer. And I like efficiency. I like things to be organized in a way that makes my life easier, and this is not making my life easier. So yeah, I'm gonna be switching it back. I might get something. One thing that was really bugging me was I didn't have like good spot for the knives. Like I kept having to reach into all the knives to get my one knife that I use all the time, and I was scared I was gonna like cut my fingers all the time. So I think I might get one of those like magnetic knife holders that goes on the wall or something. I don't know. So I switched back the drawers. Yesterday was Sunday, and I went stop. Gracie's trying to get a pancake on the table. Yesterday was Sunday, and I went out to Home Goods. It was so nice because Greg was here with the kids, and I just really tried not to rush. Like a lot of time when I go out by myself, I'm just like feeling like I need to get back home like as soon as I can. but I really just tried to ignore that feeling yesterday, and I think I did a good job. I spent like an hour or so in HomeGoods, like another almost an hour in TJ Maxx. I think I'll actually show you a couple things I got after I show you this, but let me show you how I got the drawers back. So here is the utensil drawer again. I got a new organizer because I did throw out the old one. I redid the drawer and then I was like, I'm just gonna get rid of this one because I'm not gonna switch it back, and I ended up switching it back. But I wanted a new one anyway because that one was really ugly and it was scratched up and old and stuff. So I got this nice clear one. I think I'm actually gonna put some contact paper in here so that it looks even prettier in here. But yeah, I mean, it works. I still have, what do I have here? I have room for everything except for the forks are sharing, but whatevs. And then in this one back here, one of my main issues before when I wanted to like redo all this was that I had a bunch of knives in here, and whenever I was trying to get like the one knife that I use all the time, I felt like I was gonna like slice my fingers on the other knives. So I do have one knife that I keep in here that's in the dishwasher right now. But other than that, I just have two like serving spoon things, or like big spoons that I do use. A pizza cutter, and that's it. And then my other knife is like a, I don't even know what kind of knife that is, but I use this one sometimes for like cheese, pretty much, that's it. But that is what that drawer looks like, and I got the last one of these. Like literally the last one like that in HomeGoods. The other ones, they had other ones, but they were like the white plastic, and I really wanted the clear one, so I lucked out. I got the last one. And then this drawer is back to being the junk drawer, but also I have some of the knives in here that I like hardly ever use, so if I do need to use one, it's not gonna be like every day that I'm coming in here to grab one of these knives. So Noah, are you okay? So this organizer I got at HomeGoods just yesterday. These were ones that I bought the time before that, but I still have some more kitchen stuff in this drawer, just stuff that I don't use that often. Like there's a can opener in here that I never use, Greg just does, a potato peeler, and an ice cream scoop. So it's kind of become like a junk drawer slash kitchen stuff that I don't really use often. I'm liking how everything is now, back to the way it was, but a little bit improved because I cleared out the utensil drawer a little bit so that there wasn't like all this extra stuff in there. But let me show you a couple things that I got at HomeGoods. I got this little planter for my little plant over here. This is a White Ann, I think it's called. I got it at Home Depot, and I just had it in a like just a ceramic clay pot that I had because I didn't have anything else, but that was ugly, so I picked up this at HomeGoods. I think it was like $7 or something. I think it's really cute. I got a mattress protector because our other one like disintegrated. It was so like, it wasn't even that old, just like the plastic crumbled on the bottom of it. So hopefully this doesn't have any plastic on it, but I don't know, I haven't opened it yet. So I got that, and then I got something upstairs that I want to show you, but I got a couple clothing pieces too. I just got this shirt. I'm like really low on shirts, like I have hardly nothing to wear, hardly anything to wear. So this one is just 100% linen, which I really like for the summer. Then I got this one. I bought this to be like my date night shirt. Like if Greg and I go out, I don't have anything nice to wear, so I thought this would be cute with a pair of like black leggings or something like that. So I got a pair of leggings, or like workout leggings too. They're 90 degrees and they have pockets, so yeah. And this is the last thing that I got. It's like a sunburst, that's what it's called. A sunburst mirror. I don't know, it's got some wood around it, but I really like how it looks. I don't know, I've seen similar ones for a lot more money. This was only $17, so I was like, yeah, I'm definitely gonna get that, and I think I'm gonna put this in the hallway downstairs. I also got a little basket, which I think I'm gonna use in the downstairs bathroom after I like finish redoing it, on like to put this on top of the toilet. And then I also got a little plant for the bathroom also, because I'm gonna put up some shelves in there and I need some decor for my shelves. Oh no! It's breaking! I think that's all that I got. It was a pretty good shopping trip, pretty successful. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't even know what this is. It's just a whole bunch of everything. But if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys all for my next one. Bye.